Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faisi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about active methylene compound. You know the friends, the class of compound containing a methylene group directly bonded to two electron withdrawing group are called active methylene compounds. Here important point is directly bonded to two electron withdrawing groups are called active methylene compounds. Ethyl acetoacetate and diethyl malonate falls in this class. Now we shall discuss about preparations, properties and uses of ethyl acetoacetate. The structure of ethyl acetoacetate is, what is the preparations? Collision condensations. You can see here two molecules of ethyl acetate in presence of sodium ethoxide, it gives ethyl acetoacetate. Let us discuss the mechanism of these reactions. You can see here in step 1, this ethoxide trap this proton and forming ester anion, and this ester anion attack on carbonyl carbon and forming this product, and these products remove the ethoxide and forming ethyl acetoacetate. So what is the physical properties? Ethyl acetoacetate is a colorless, pleasant smelling liquid with boiling point 180.4 degrees Celsius and density 1.0282. It is sparingly soluble in water but freely soluble in organic solvents. Now the chemical properties. As the methylene hydrogen is acidic in nature, hence it can be easily replaced by some other groups. Hence from ethyl acetoacetate we can synthesize large number of compounds. Now why the methylene hydrogen is acidic in nature? Acidity of methylene hydrogens, you can see here, carbanion stable. It is attributed to two factors. First, inductive effect, you can see the inductive effect, and a stable carbanion. Now another is resonance effect. This is resonance stabilized, and this is the structure of resonance hybrid. Now salt formations. A strong base trap these protons and forming enolate anion, weak base. Alkylations, you can see here, are attached with the methylene carbon or forming monoalkylated acetoacetic ester. Now hydrolysis, there are two types of hydrolysis: ketonic hydrolysis, ethyl acetoacetate water H plus, acetoacetic acid, and you can see the acetone after heating. So acidic hydrolysis, you can see formations of two molecule acetic acid and ethanol, and then ketoenol tautomerism. You see aldehyde ketones and some other compound undergo this special type of tautomerism. It involves the migration of a proton from alpha carbon to the carbonyl oxygens. This is the keto form and this is the enol form. Now stability of keto form. Due to greater strength of pi bond of CO bond group as compared to that of carbon-carbon group, the keto form is more stable than enol form. In simple aldehyde and ketone, the amount of enol form is negligible, less than 1%. However, the percentage of enol form increase in case of 1,3-dicarbonyl compounds. It is because of the formation of intramolecular hydrogen bonding. This is the keto form, this is the enol form. Now ketoenol tautomerism in ethyl acetoacetate exists as a tautomeric mixture of keto-enol form. This is the keto form 90% and enol form 10%. Hydrogen bond stabilized. Fact in favor of keto form. Ethyl acetic acid form a bisulfide compound with sodium hydrogen sulfide. Ethyl acetoacetate forms a cyanohydrin with hydrogen cyanide. EAA forms an oxime with hydroxylamine, and phenylhydrazine with phenylhydrazine, joined phenylhydrazine. On reductions with sodium amalgam or by using lithium aluminum hydride in pyridine, ethyl acetoacetate gives beta hydroxybutyric acid ester containing a secondary alcohol group. You can see here the reductions. Now, when ethyl acetoacetate is hydrolyzed with dilute ammonium hydroxide solution in cold followed by acidification, it forms acetoacetic acid, and this on heating yield acetone, thereby showing that acetoacetic acid is a beta keto acid and ethyl acetoacetate is beta keto ester. Now, fact in favor of enol form. Ethyl acetate reacts with sodium metal to form sodium derivative and hydrogen gas is evolved, and this indicates the presence of OH group. Ethyl acetate forms an acetyl derivative with acetyl chloride, which shows the presence of OH group. When ethyl acetate is treated with alcoholic bromine solution, the brown color of the latter is discharged, and this indicates the presence of carbon-carbon double bond. Ethyl acetate forms a reddish violet color when treated with ferric chloride. This indicates the presence of carbon-carbon double bond and OH structural unit as in phenol. Now, synthetic uses of ethyl acetoacetate. Ethyl acetoacetate is used for the synthesis of various compounds such as mono and dicarboxylic acid, alpha, beta, and saturated acid, ketones, formethyl uracil, and antipyrine. From the above discussion, we can conclude that ethyl acetoacetate is the ethyl ester of acetoacetic acid. It is used for the synthesis of large number of compounds. It is also favoring for food. So, this is the reference, Organic Chemistry, Mukherjee Singh Kapoor. So friends, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.